outstanding subscription of rupees 86,800 should also be entered in the balance sheet. 86,800 outstanding subscription, it should be entered on asset side. Next adjustment is subscriptions for governor party outstanding for the current year is 55,000. So this is a subscription for specific purpose for governor's party. It should be entered on asset side as well as on liability side. Outstanding subscriptions for governor's party amounting to rupees 55,000, and this should also be added in the subscription for governor's party on liability side. And outstanding subscription 55,000, and it comes total is 4 lakh. Third point is given that sports material, its opening stock is given 16 lakh. Sports material 16 lakh is given, and we will enter it on asset side of opening balance sheet. Sports material 16 lakh. Next, closing stock of sports material is given 13 lakh 50,000, and out of which rupees 50,000 sports material is written off. 13 lakh 50,000 will be written here in the current year's balance sheet. Sports material closing balance is given to us 13 lakh 50,000, and out of which 50,000 will be deducted because it is written off, and the balance comes 13 lakh. And this 50,000 should also be written on debit side of income and expenditure account to sports material written off amounting to rupees 50,000. So we can also calculate the amount of sports material consumed, and it will be written on debit side. Sports material consumed. How to calculate? Opening stock 16 lakh minus closing stock 13 lakh 50,000 is equal to 2 lakh 50,000. So its amount is 2 lakh 50,000. And the last item is given to us about the loan of rupees 20 lakh in the year ended 31st March 2018. So it is the loan which is taken in previous year. So in the opening balance sheet we will write loan on liability side amounting to rupees 20 lakh, and the same should also be entered in the current year's balance sheet on liability side. Loan account, it is given 20 lakh because the loan, its repayments information is not given here, whether it is repaid or not, so it will be shown in the current year's balance sheet also. So now all the adjustments we have done, and now first we will total our opening balance sheet, and opening balance sheet's total comes, we will total it 20,31,000 200, and the same should be written on the asset side, 20,31,200, and the balance comes deficit of capital funds deficiency, because the balance comes on asset side and its amount is 3,81,200. Then come to the income and expenditure account. In the income and expenditure account, the total of debit side is more than the total of credit side, and the total of debit side is 18,95,600. So the same amount should be written on credit side, 18,95,600, and here the deficit comes amounting to rupees 13,800, and the same should be transferred to the balance sheet. And capital fund, we have find out it. Capital fund is 3,81,200. 3,81,200. We find it out, and we will add deficit. And deficit is 13,800, and the total is 3,95,000. So now we can total our current year's balance sheet, and the total of both sides should be same. Calculate it yourself. So the total of liability side comes 24,66,400, and the same total is of asset side, 24,66,400. So this is the income and expenditure account for the year ended 2019, and this is the balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2019, and this is the opening balance sheet.